holding it up there.
This is that one he did, Tony.
That looks comfortable. I want one of them.
Nearly figuring out that back brake. Christ.
You're in trouble.
Yeah.
He gets older, you are in trouble. Tony, that one is about 30 foot long.
Dad, I almost fell.
I know, you better be careful, you don't have to go. You can turn the gas and spin, but don't be careful with the brake.
I'm gonna spin like a donut.
Alright.
That one, goes like this.
How fast do they go?
Matter, bud.
Probably going
his car does one over. I put it down there, this one is something like that.
This makes me
He got it down low. He has a big old smile.
Nice one. That was a good burn out there.